What is consistency? Why consistency is important in our life? Friends, it's really gonna work and it's extremely important in our life. Friends, consistency means our habit which we must follow every single day. Friends, conscious mind way whatever activity we will do, same way subconscious mind train through the consistency. Friends, consistency which help to build our strength, and that's why we must follow our consistency regarding our work. Hi friends, I am Kailash Patel and welcome to my YouTube Shorts and Long channel. We are watching this video and we are discussing about consistency. So for example, if we want to follow our consistency, so through the example we can better way to understand. If you want to become a fluent, then friends, you must have to follow consistency towards your practice. It is extremely powerful and effective. I would say if you gonna follow the consistency, you can improve your fluency. I could better way understand by using this approach we can easily we get more ideas and interest towards our work. It's make a more confidence, more organized, more discipline, which is help to make a better person. Friends, the things that by using consistency we can easily to train our subconscious mind, which is going to help boost our energy. Also can change our perspective, and that's why friends, consistency is gonna really beneficial for our daily basis work which we want in our life. And I hope friends, now you must follow consistency and you can easily to enhance your fluency, and I damn sure by using consistency easily you can enhance your strength. Thank you watching this video till end, and we meet in my next video. Till time, take care. Bye bye.